Roomba certain models of Roomba will now dodge pet poo so it doesn't spread it all over your floor. Sorry, just thinking about the ML engineer who had to program the data set for is poo, is not poo, is poo, is not poo.
Previously on TWiT. This week in Enterprise Tech.
Apple is rolling out the ability to add driver's licenses and state IDs to the Wallet app.
By going to a phone, the Apple Wallet in this case, what is passed is typically a one-time use token. Even if it's intercepted, even if it's captured, it's useless.
Hands-on photography.
Tyra picked me out of Instagram, and she explained that I was the first for the magazine, and basically I deserved to be on Vogue. I deserved all the other, great magazines, fashion magazines. So.
Tell it! This week in Google.
Whole Foods is going to be getting the Amazon Just Walk Out technology.
What if my wife and I are both shopping? Not that that happens because she thinks I'm a disaster at a grocery store, but just theoretically.
I'm a disaster. I'm not allowed to go to the grocery store.
What do you guys do?
There's a similar rule in place here in the Pruitt.
You two, all three of you?
Why isn't the ketchup next to the tomatoes? It's not logical. I can't ever find anything.
Does not belong.
Okay, Jeff, your reason is silly.
TWiT.
Oh, that's cringy.